What did you do? Nagpupo ka o nagwiwi ka? Ha? Anong ginawa mo? Bibi, I'm asking you. Did you pupo or did you wiwi? I'm asking you. Did you pupo or did you wiwi? Ha? Huwag mo ko dadrama-dramahan dyan. Mommy, bye-bye. And then this is what you did? You want mommy go bye-bye again? Do you want mommy go bye-bye again? What did you do? I'm asking. Did you poo-poo there or did you wee-wee? You're not answering my question. Oh, why you wanna cry? Why you wanna cry now? Why are you crying? I'm only asking you question. You are not answering my question. Why are you crying na? I'm asking. What did you do? Did you poo-poo or did you wee-wee? May diaper ka ba yan o wala? What happened? Oh, you poo-poo. Did you poo-poo there? You want palo? You want this palo? Do you want palo? Yes or no? So every time mommy go bye-bye, this is what you're gonna do? Yes. Huwag mo ako dadramahan dyan, Anday. Tinatanong kita kung anong ginawa mo. Anong ginawa nga? Anong ginawa? Shh, Bibi. I'm asking, did you poo-poo there or did you wee-wee? Did you poo-poo or did you wee? Babay na lang ulit si mami na. Babay na lang ulit ako, ano? Want mami go bye-bye? Because you're not listening. Tapos nagpupo ka pa dito or nagwiwi ka dyan. Ba't ganyan yan? Ano, wala ka bang diaper? What happened? Nawala lang ako, ganyan gagawin mo dito sa bed ko? Bibi? What is this? What is this na? What is this? Yung palo? Palo na lang kita, para mas mabilisan eh. Palo? Ang palo? You are not allowed in this bed anymore. Ba't dito ka? Bakit dito? Di ba dun yung bed mo? Di ba doon? Ayan yung bed mo dyan. Ba't kumabot dito? This is my bed. What happened? Palo na lang kita. Gusto mong palo? O babay? Babay na lang ulit ako, ano?